Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Mockito is a popular Java library used for unit testing, particularly for mocking objects in order to isolate and test specific parts of your code. In this tutorial, we will focus on testing a void method using Mockito. What is a void method? A void method is a method that does not return any value. In Java, this is defined using the void keyword in the method signature. Testing void methods often involves verifying the side effects of the method, such as changes to the state of the object or calls to other methods. Setting up Mockito. To use Mockito, you need to include it in your project. If you are using Maven, you can add the following dependency to your pom.xml. Example scenario. Let's say we have a simple service class that has a void method for sending notifications. We'll create a test class to verify that the method behaves as expected. Step 1, create the service class. Here's a simple notification service class with a void method send notification. And an email sender interface that our service uses to send emails. Step 2, create the test class. Now, let's write a test class for notification service using Mockito. Explanation of the code. 1. Mocks and setup. We create a mock instance of email sender using mockito.mock, emailsender.class. We initialize notification service with this mock. 2. Test for successful notification. In test send notification _call send email, we call the send notification method with a sample message. We use verify to check that send email was called exactly once with the correct argument. 3. Test for exception handling. In test send notification with message throws exception, we check that calling send notification with an empty message throws an illegal argument exception. Running the tests. You can run the tests using your IDE or through the command line with Maven. Conclusion. This tutorial provided an overview of how to use Mockito to test a void method in Java. We covered how to set up a test environment, create mock objects, and verify method calls and exception handling. These techniques are crucial for writing effective unit tests that ensure your code behaves as expected.